Hi everybody and welcome back in SelfBi. In this tutorial I'm going to show you the working area where you can edit your analysis. You can reach it by clicking on the icon on the home page or on the related button when you are in play. Your analysis can be composed by one or more sheets. You can move through and add sheets from this panel. You can change their names simply by clicking on it, and you can also control 3 of them at a time on this bar. As we are going to see, an analysis takes life by inserting widgets and one or more data definitions in the sheet. You see the widgets panel here on the left, while just below there is the data panel. Here you can find the data you loaded or connected and then selected for your analysis. By drag and dropping, I'm going to place some widgets in the analysis sheet and then I'm going to insert some data names into that widgets. Take a look on the lower side of the sheet now. Here you can see different buttons. With the first, you can enable or disable the opportunity to set filters. Next to it, you see some buttons useful to create and to move through filter groups. On the far right of the lower bar, you can see the button which shows you if the widgets are member of a filter group. Now click on the widget. The widget properties panel appears. Here you can set all the parameters for the widget's configuration. The parameters depends on the widget. Every widget has its own. If you look on the upper right, there are 5 buttons to add a new sheet, assign new colors to the widgets, refresh the analysis, go to play, and save your analysis. Using all these tools will make you able to extract all the answers that your data hide. Are you still there? Hurry up! It's your turn! Remember that your feedback makes SelfBi even more self-service. So if you have any comment or question, please contact us.